Welcome to our Ultimate Blender Showdown. Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two of the most popular blenders on the market, the Oster Pro 1200 and the Ninja Professional. If you're in the market for a new blender, you're probably wondering which one offers the best performance, durability, and value for your money. Stay tuned as we put these blenders to the test in various blending challenges to help you decide which one is the ultimate winner for your kitchen needs. Usage. The Oster Pro 1200 is versatile and capable of handling a variety of tasks, including making smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas. It is particularly effective at processing fibrous ingredients like kale, making it a good choice for those who enjoy green smoothies. The inclusion of a 24-ounce portable cup adds convenience for on-the-go users. The Ninja Professional 1000 is also versatile, excelling at making smoothies, crushing ice, and blending frozen fruits. It is known for its powerful ice crushing capabilities, making it ideal for frozen drinks and smoothies. However, it lacks the additional portable cup found in the Oster Pro 1200. Build quality. The Oster Pro 1200 features a heavy-duty glass pitcher that is both dishwasher-safe and resistant to thermal shock. This adds to its durability and ease of cleaning. However, some users have noted that it may not be as durable as other high-end blenders. The Ninja Professional 1000 comes with a BPA-free plastic pitcher, which is also dishwasher-safe. While plastic is generally less durable than glass, it is lighter and less prone to breaking. The overall build quality is robust, making it a reliable option for daily use. Design. The Oster Pro 1200 has a sleek and modern design with a compact footprint measuring 7 multiplied by 8 x 14.3 inches. Its design includes a user-friendly control panel with clearly labeled buttons for different functions. The Ninja Professional 1000 features a modern and professional design with a slightly larger footprint measuring 7 multiplied by 9 x 17 inches. Its control panel is straightforward, with easy-to-use buttons for different blending functions. Size. The Oster Pro 1200 is relatively compact, making it suitable for kitchens with limited counter space. Its dimensions are 7 multiplied by 8 x 14.3 inches, which allows it to fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets. The Ninja Professional 1000 is slightly larger with dimensions of 7 multiplied by 9 x 17 inches. While it may take up more counter space, it still fits under most kitchen cabinets, though it may be a tighter fit compared to the Oster Pro 1200. Power. The Oster Pro 1200 boasts a powerful 1200-watt motor, delivering 900 watts of blending power. This high wattage allows it to handle tough ingredients with ease, making it suitable for a wide range of blending tasks. The Ninja Professional 1000 features a 1000-watt motor, which is slightly less powerful than the Oster Pro 1200. However, it is still highly effective at crushing ice and blending frozen fruits, making it a strong contender in terms of power. Jar capacity. The Oster Pro 1200 comes with a 48-ounce glass pitcher, which is suitable for making medium to large batches of smoothies or other blended drinks. Additionally, it includes a 24-ounce portable cup for single servings. The Ninja Professional 1000 includes a larger 72-ounce plastic pitcher, making it ideal for preparing large batches of smoothies or other blended drinks. This larger capacity is beneficial for families or those who entertain frequently. Blades and speed. The Oster Pro 1200 features dual-direction blade technology, which helps to blend ingredients more efficiently and reduce the likelihood of jams. It has 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, and 3 preset programs, smoothie, milkshake, and salsa, providing a good range of options for different blending tasks. The Ninja Professional 1000 is equipped with total crushing blades that are designed to pulverize ice and blend ingredients quickly. It has 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, but lacks preset programs, which may limit its versatility compared to the Oster Pro 1200. Lid closing type. The Oster Pro 1200 features a secure, easy-to-use lid with a removable cap for adding ingredients during blending. The lid fits tightly, preventing leaks and spills during operation. The Ninja Professional 1000 also has a secure lid with a locking mechanism that ensures it stays in place during blending. The lid includes a pour spout for easy serving, which is a convenient feature for pouring without removing the entire lid. Noise. The Oster Pro 1200 is relatively quiet compared to other high-powered blenders. While it still produces noise, it is generally considered to be less disruptive, making it suitable for use in households where noise levels are a concern. The Ninja Professional 1000 is known to be louder, especially when crushing ice or blending tough ingredients. This higher noise level may be a consideration for those who prefer a quieter blending experience. Controls and programs. The Oster Pro 1200 has a user-friendly control panel with clearly labeled buttons for its 3 speed settings and 3 preset programs. This makes it easy to select the desired function and achieve consistent results. The Ninja Professional 1000 features a straightforward control panel with buttons for its 3 speed settings. While it lacks preset programs, the simplicity of the controls makes it easy to use for basic blending tasks. Cleaning. The Oster Pro 1200 is easy to clean with a dishwasher-safe glass pitcher and removable blade assembly. The glass material is resistant to staining and odors, making it a low-maintenance option. The Ninja Professional 1000 is also easy to clean with a dishwasher-safe plastic pitcher and removable blade assembly. However, the plastic material may be more prone to staining and retaining odors compared to glass. Downside. While Oster Pro has 3 speed settings, it may not offer as much control as some users would like. Some users have reported that it may not be as durable as other high-end blenders, though it is still considered a solid option for its price range. The Ninja Professional 1000 lacks preset programs, which may limit its versatility compared to the Oster Pro 1200. This blender is known to be louder, especially when crushing ice or blending tough ingredients, which could be a drawback for some users. Some users have reported issues with the lid needing to be screwed on very tightly to prevent leaks, and the sealing ring may require frequent adjustments. So, which one should you choose? The Oster Pro 1200 is a better choice for those who need versatility, quieter operation, and the convenience of a portable cup. It is also a good option for those who prefer a glass pitcher. On the other hand, the Ninja Professional 1000 is ideal for users who prioritize ice crushing power, need a larger pitcher capacity, and prefer a robust build quality.